Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to verify Discord account with your phone number, and this method works for both Android and iOS, and also it works for your laptop if you are going to use your laptop. So first you are going to open Discord application and log into your account. After that you will see this home page, and in the bottom left right you will see your profile icon. You just click there, and then on the top right you will see the gear icon. You click there, and then you choose the second option, account. You click there, and just in the first section, account information, you will find under the email phone. You just click there. Here you can choose the country code. You can change it as you want, and then you just enter your phone number, then you click next. After that you will receive 6 digits. You just enter it there, and that's it. Now your account is verified. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.